Chainlink holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. So this time the Chainlink holders start a very biggest mistake. You know what? It is the last half month, and on this day, the people start a very big mistake. Absolutely, my friends. If you do this mistake, so you will lose your money in the cryptocurrencies market and on the Chainlink, my friends. So please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. For more details, keep watch this video, and I request everyone before starting this video that please subscribe ABS channel for updates and news videos. My friends, first of all, we are going to discuss the latest price of the Chainlink, and after that, we discuss the mistake of holders. Now, this time, the price of the Chainlink is 16.97 USD dollar. 16.97 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Chainlink. And furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Chainlink, so I think everything is going good. The latest last 1 hour 1 day price changes of the Chainlink is positive, and only the last 1 week price change is negative. So the previous chain is negative, but now the latest chain is positive. So my friends, that's clear. Now this time the mistake of holders is clear that the previous chain is negative, and only the yesterday and the last 1 hour price change is positive. So my friends, you know what, unfortunately, the June month, from the start of June, the Chainlink price is going down. My friends, you can see here the chart. The price is going down from the start of June, and still the price is negative, but from yesterday the price started pumping. So my friends, I mean that you are in the loss. In the June month, you are in the loss. So that's why my personal recommendation for all of you is that please don't do this mistake. Don't decide to sell. Selling is your biggest mistake on this time, because you are in the loss and you decide to sell. So that's a big mistake. Hold. If you hold, maybe there is a possibility to the price will pump in the future. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe ABS Tech Channel for more news and updates videos.